Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Python 3. 8 or later is installed and that pandas and plotting libs are available. Open Power BI, go to Options, and set the Python home path so Power BI can call the interpreter. Once done, add a Python visual to the report canvas and drag the fields you need into the Values bucket. This creates a data frame named Dataset. Now you're ready to write the first lines of Python that transform and plot that dataset. You now prepare the data inside the Python editor, inspect with Dataset. Head, handle missing values with dropna or fillna, and compute aggregations using GroupB or pivot table. Make transformations concise so execution stays snappy in Power BI. Next, import matplotlib. Pyplot or Seaborn, set figure size and style, and map columns to axes. Because visuals render from the script output, make sure you call PLT. Tight layout and PLT show. If you need multiple charts, create subplots and manage indexing carefully. You finish by saving the report and refreshing the visual to ensure it renders with live data. Make sure column data types match what your script expects. Cast types inside the script if necessary. For performance, pre-aggregate in Power Query or sample rows before plotting. If something goes wrong, read the Python error in the output pane. Common issues are wrong interpreter path, missing packages, or incompatible package versions. Repoint Power BI to the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.